Value, techniques to add depth and dimension to your artwork. Value is the lightness or darkness of a color. To begin, let's start by looking at a value scale. A value scale allows artists to organize different shades from light to dark by observing a graduated scale from the lightest value, white, to the darkest value, black, and various tones in between. For our scale, we will create a 10-shade scale. Block 1 will be the darkest and 10 will be white. In this video, we will experiment with 7 different techniques you can use to create value. For the first value scale, we will use graphite. Graphite pencils have a mixture of graphite powder mixed with clay. The more clay in the mixture will result in a harder pencil with a lighter tone. The higher the graphite content will result in a darker pencil tone. These varying degrees of clay to graphite are marked on art pencils with letters and numbers. For hard pencil, those with a high clay content have a number followed by the letter H. The number tells you how hard the pencil core is. A 2H pencil is a hard pencil core good for doing sketching. A 10H pencil has a very high clay content, so it would be very light. Be careful when using a high clay pencil. If you use a lot of pressure using these pencils, it could scratch your surface, leaving indentions in your paper. On the other hand, soft pencil cores start with a number followed the letter B. The higher this number is, the darker the tone that can be achieved using that pencil. Let's create our first value scale while experimenting with the different grades of pencil. For block 1, we will make the square as dark as we can. If you only have one pencil, shade in the block in as hard and dark as you can without scratching into the paper. For this video, we will use a soft, dark pencil like 8B. Fill in the block completely and as dark as you can get it. Using less pressure, and if available, a lighter pencil on block 9. I am using a 6B pencil. As we continue down the scale, we'll use less and less pressure and slightly harder graphite. For block 8, I will use a 4B, 7-3B, 6-2B, 5AB. At 4, I will switch to HB and continue using hardcore pencils for the rest of the scale. Block 3 will use 2H, 2 will use 4H, and block 1 will stay white. To achieve a realistic value, try to create your pencil lines in the motion that you want the eye to read your object. For this sphere, I am creating circular strokes that are lightest near the highlight and dark the closer I get to the edge of the sphere. To blend my graphite smoothly, I will use a blending stump or tortillon to soften the graphite. Stippling is a technique in which areas of light and shadow are created using nothing but dots. The closer together the dots are, the darker the value is. To do this technique, I would suggest using a wet medium like a fine tip marker or a pen. Just like in the previous scale, each consecutive square should be a little lighter than previous square. Do this by gradually spacing out your dots. Square 10 will be white. To use stippling in a sphere, we will create the outside edge by placing the dots very close together. As we move to the highlight, making the sphere seem three-dimensional, the dots will become more spaced out. Hatching is an artistic technique that uses parallel lines to create shading. For hatching, you can use any medium of your choice. I will be using a ballpoint pen. Your lines can go in any direction as long as you keep them parallel and consistent. To achieve lighter tones, space the lines farther and farther apart until you reach the white square. Cross-hatching is a drawing technique that uses lines that cross over each other to create light, shadow, and texture. It's a way to create a sense of depth and dimension in a drawing. To create value with cross-hatching, closely spaced parallel lines are drawn in 2 or more opposite directions. The more lines that cross over each other, the darker the tone. Like in all the other scale, to create lighter tones, use less pressure and space your lines farther and farther apart. Scribbling is a shading technique that uses random, loose strokes to create shadows and highlights. It's a quick way to add shading and can create a textured look. It is sometimes referred to as scumbling. In this technique, the closer your lines are, the darker the tone will appear. Looser, more open lines will read lighter.
Charcoal shading is a technique of using a soft, powdery, chalk-like medium to create tones and shadows. This is done by varying the pressure as well as by using blending stumps or tortillons to achieve smooth transitions between light and dark areas. For the final technique, create your own gradient using pattern, texture, or even words. Just make sure that each block is gradually different. Practice using all of the value techniques and create interesting art with value.